Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of InfosecTrain's Success Spotlight. Today, we are delighted to have Ketki with us, who has recently completed her cipp-e training with InfosecTrain and has successfully cleared her certification too. We are excited to have a quick chat with our gladiator Ketki to hear about her learning experience and inspiring journey. A very warm welcome to the session, ma'am.
Thank you, Saksham. A very
How,
good morning to you and
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All well, ma'am. Thank you. Let's
Yeah.
start with your preparation journey. How was your experience while preparing for one of the most elite certifications of data privacy?
It started in November 2024 when I started doing some courses on GDPR and other privacy laws from LinkedIn. Uh, those were introductory trainings, but uh, when I decided to seriously follow the cipp-e examination, I came across InfosecTrain and I did training for cipp-e with InfosecTrain and then studied as per their guidance for the exam and cleared it. I made my own study notes and I revised to them. I did mock tests as per the suggestions, and within 30 days, I could clear the exam.
Glad to know that, ma'am. How was your overall experience with InfoSec Train throughout your training and learning journey? As we were part of your training, as we are part of your training partner, so how was your overall experience with us?
Amazing. It was wonderful. I came to know about InfosecTrain from IAPP website, where InfosecTrain is enlisted as a official training partner
Correct.
in India. And I went through your website. It is very informative. There is no room for queries or doubts. First, I talked to Mr. Rahul Gupta, who was the SPOC for the trainings. He provided me with there was one email from him which was self-explanatory. No, I had my own personal doubts about taking the training.
Mhm.
He cleared them on a phone call, on email. He was always accessible to me. After talking to him, I decided to go for InfosecTrain CIPP training. I registered for it. Uh, the thing is that I'm not a social media person, and I was not. I had not joined the Telegram group of CIPP July batch. So Rahul personally messaged me that you have not joined the Telegram group. Please do join because it would be helpful for your with the discussion with your participants, your trainer, and our team as well. And I was I was actually it was awesome to receive a personal message from the InfosecTrend team that I have not joined, and they were keen that every participant uh, should know everything that has been going on with respect to the training. So I joined the Telegram group, and the training was amazing. I'm very thankful to Saksham, your team members. Last and not the least, Jay, who was our trainer, who made the training interesting and engaging. He is a great guide, he is a great mentor. And apart from that, uh, whatever he advised to us, he being the own CIPP holder, his advice and the InfoSec train materials which was provided to us on the first day itself, it was really amazing. It helped a lot. I studied for the exam. The percentage was only 20%. 80% training was done by InfoSec Train and Jay himself. So I'm really thankful that I found InfoSec Train and your team and Jay.
Glad to
Thank you
know
very
that,
much.
ma'am. Glad to know that. Lastly, we would love to hear any message or tips you would like to share from your personal experience to other participants who will be going up for their examination soon.
I could say I could only talk about CIPPE, that is the data privacy. If you want to go for data privacy, then do it seriously with focused mind. Know what you are actually doing, and once you have decided to be part of a privacy domain, you can talk to the InfoSec trend team. They can go take you ahead with this because my journey with data privacy has not stopped with my passing of the exam. I am
Correct.
still going through your free webinars. your sessions on LinkedIn, whatever you provide us with, and it is amazing. But you have to be focused with your studies. You
Exactly.
can have your own strategies, but also do follow the strategies provided by the InfoSec Train team, because it was really helpful for me that somebody was always there. Jay and your team was always there to help us with our training, even post the actual 20-hour training was over. Go ahead with the focused mind. That is the only thing.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable experience with us and joining us today, ma'am. It was wonderful to have you. We look forward for
Thank
many
you.
more learning collaborations together. It doesn't end with CIPPE. InfoSec Train
Yes.
would be glad to be part of your endless training programs and your learning journey. Thank you so much for taking out time, ma'am. It was wonderful to have
Yes.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity so that I could give the actual credit to InfoSec Train team and being
It's
grateful
all
to
our
you.
pleasure, ma'am. It was pleasure to have you. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you.
Same to you. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.